Okay, so we got ourselves a really big snowstorm right here. This is my house. You can see the Canada flag is flying pretty bad. Now, what I'm going to be doing actually is I'm going to be seeing if this week I'm going to get attics that have these whirlybirds or other types of vents, and I'm going to take a look in each roof, because obviously this whole week is well, it's going to prove to see, you know, what types of roof vents will actually let in some snow, because this is some pretty bad sideways snow blowing in. And just like you can see in this house over here, right? So my theory was that you know, the snow that's coming from blowing from the roof towards the vents for perhaps some of the maximums, right? We'll see how they fare out, right? Remembering outside how it looks, sideways wind like this, and my Santa Claus that's almost not able to stand up. So here is that lower part of the attic there. I got my floodlight, and then remember how I've got my turbine vent, right? So this is the effect of it here. Maybe a little bit higher, just to kind of show. So you can see there's not much going on, right? So she's so there you go. You've got the live effect of a turbine vent in my own house with a storm like this. So I've been here for 3 years, and I filmed this recently and just now as well, live, and there's no effect with the turbine vents. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next video.